My name is Carlos, and today I'm going to show you how to win at behavior-driven development with Cucumber and Ruby. So, if you're a product person watching this, you're probably wondering, I have all these requirements and ideas that I come up with all day. How do they turn into code? If you're an engineer watching this, you're probably wondering, where do these requirements come from? Do they come from the sky? Why are they important? I don't understand. Well, the nice thing about BDD is that it bridges that gap between product and engineering, and it does this through code that lives with the code in a really English-like syntax. And there's a lot of frameworks that enable this, but the one we're going to focus on today is Cucumber, driven by Ruby, a really English idiomatic programming language. So our mission for today in this demo is to create a feature for an awesome website, and then we're going to watch that fail. We're going to watch the world burn. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and implement that feature to make it pass, and then we're going to watch it pass. It's very test-driven development-y. With that, let's go into our demo. So I'm going to go into my terminal, and the first thing I want to show you all is how this feature, this folder structure is laid out. And as you can see, we have a features folder. That sounds pretty interesting. So I'm in product, and I have a new idea, and I'm going to want to write a feature for that idea. So I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to write a feature for an awesome website. Feeling pretty awesome today. So I'm going to call this feature My Awesome Website. And then features are broken down into scenarios. We can have multiple, but I'm only going to have one today. A really important one, and that's feeling good when I visit my website. So scenarios are expressed through a industry standard syntax called given, when, then. Given is what's given, when is what we want to happen, and then is what we expect to happen. So we expect everyone to have a web browser, so we're not going to put, that's pretty much a given, haha. So we're just going to do when we go to my website, then I leave feeling good. Pretty simple. So now we're going to go ahead and run this in Cucumber. And what Cucumber is going to do is it's going to scan the features directory and look for features, and then it's going to run the code for those features. But we only have one problem. We haven't written the code yet. So let's go ahead and copy this and write some code. Code for Cucumber lives in a folder called step definitions, and you can put it in any file you want, any Ruby file that is, and we're going to call this one all.rb. And we're going to write some code. So when we go to our website, what do we want it to do? We want it to actually visit our website. So we're going to say we're going to visit this website here. And then I want to leave feeling good. What does that even mean? Well, maybe I expect the page, I don't know, expect the website page to have something that makes me feel nice. I'm going to say, I expect it to say that you are a really nice person. Cool. So that is the code for our feature. So now we're going to run Cucumber again, but this time we are going to create a web browser that shows y'all how this is running underneath. And if you're probably wondering how all this was set up, well, I'm using Docker to normalize my environment so that way all the stuff that runs on my laptop also runs in production. Very consistent behavior. You can check Linda for more details about how that works. So what did we do here? We created a browser. The browser spun up, Cucumber spun that up, and it went to my website, and it looked for you're a very nice person. But the test failed, and it failed because it was expecting it to say that you are a very nice person. I accept that. I feel pretty good looking at that, so I'm going to go ahead and modify my feature code one more time so that when it goes to that website, it says that you are a very nice person. So I'm going to run this again. I'm going to show you the browser again. And like we saw before, the browser is going to come up and it's going to go to my website, all automated. As you can see, my hands are right here. I'm not touching anything. Whoa, that's magic. Cool. All right, so yeah, so it's spun up the website, and now it's going to go to my website, and it's going to look for you are a very nice person. Cucumber agrees that that's what it saw, and the browser is going to close, and it's going to say that my test passed. Awesome. And the more awesome bit about this is that if the website changes underneath you, this will fail. So if you run this on a continuous integration cycle, you know that customers are affected and that your engineers, or if you're an engineer watching this, you can do something about it, which I think is really cool. So that's all I have for my demo today. So thanks for watching. You can see the code that we wrote here on GitHub, and you can learn more about Capybara, the syntax, and Cucumber through these links. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.